How to use Snapchat app easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to become professional using Snapchat easily and fast. This is a full short guide. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now right here, as you can see, this is the home page. Now right here you can take photos, you can add filters. From here, click on this emoji. Click on the emoji and choose the filter that you want by swiping right or left. After you choose the filter, you can take a photo by tap. It's very easy. And if you want to edit your profile, go here in the top corner. This is my profile, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on the settings, and right here you can change your name, your username, your birthday, your email, and everything can be changed and edited from here. As you can see, there is many options, and if you want to scan or see your QR or your snap code, this is it right here. Just click on it and click share, and you will be able to share it to any social media you want, as you can see. And also you have many options here. If you want to add new story, just go here and click on add to my story. Now click and take a photo, for example, and you can now add text from here on your photo. You can draw from here, you can add stickers, you can cut, you can add the music, you can search for filters, and you can add also a link from here. And if you want to save your story to your device, click here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.